Ladies and gentlemen, the stars of the event, the athletes, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you here tonight and to warmly welcome all the athletes who have come to participate in these competitions. We greet you. We greet you because in our tradition we don't do it out of protocol or a sense of duty. We do it because we are genuinely interested in your well-being, emotional, physical, and social. We greet you because we then in the process are able to offer our empathy and understand whatever situation you may be in. And so it is in this spirit that I gratefully acknowledge each and every one of you.
I am a Botswana. I am so happy to have witnessed such a beautiful opening ceremony here in my country. It was such a wonderful time. We saw great acts from our own country, and just to hear the president of Botswana just inviting us to enjoy this moment, including the world relays, and also celebrating how much we have come here as a nation in terms of the world athletics and relays. But at the end of it all, we had a really good time, and I had a great time, enjoyed myself.
Today marks a historic moment not only for us in Botswana, but for the entire continent of Africa. For the next 2 days, the eyes of the world will be focused on Africa, specifically on our capital city, Gaborone, as we host the World Athletics Relays Gaborone 2026, the first of its kind to be held on the African continent. To witness this dream come true and be part of this amazing spectacle is a great honor for the country and for the people. It is an honor we embrace with deep humility, gratitude, and an immense sense of pride as a nation. This is a triumph for both our country and the entire African continent. It is a bold statement that Africa is capable, prepared and ready to host world-class events at the highest standard.
Yeah, this is more of me, representing Botswana. As you can see, the official opening for the World Relays was unbelievable, man. The performance, the story behind the whole production was unbelievable. We love it, and the rest of the world, I think they can see that Botswana has brilliant product to offer.
Africa is the next frontier for sport. As I shared recently at the World Government Summit in Dubai, and I maintain boldly and unapologetically, Africa is poised to rule the world.
I'm so excited. I had so much fun. It was such an electric experience. All the performances, all the young people, I had so much fun, and I hope to do it again sometime soon.
I venture to say and affirm that Botswana is ready to be a powerhouse in short and long sprints, in relays, and in producing champions of global caliber. Our athletes are already proving this. Botswana has established itself as a rising leader in the sprints category. Over the last few years, our 4x400 meter men's relay team has proven its worth on the track. They've operated at the highest level, levels that have tested their worth and mettle and they have demonstrated.
Ke bone mo WhatsApp boys. Ke bone mo WhatsApp ke re ke a robala. Ke a bona re ha re ke te kwano. Hampore ke robetse.
With their fervent vitality, with their energy and their determination, that they are ready. They have been ready. And tomorrow and the day after, you will see the full breadth and extent of this readiness.
One thing that I love the most is I saw my president, but I love my boy, and also heads of two, our minister of sports, Jacob Kilibeng. Oh God, this was amazing. We saw whatever that they did. Oh God, yes, one number performance, the poets, we were looking, everything was top notch.
Ke ra ra hampore ke robetse like sa izuru go you be mo skorong sane. Puira dio tse di monate yana.
The World Athletics Relays are more than just a competition. Not only because they feature elite international track athletes, but more importantly, because they are an embodiment of unity, teamwork, hard work, resilience, determination, grit, and precision. These are the very values that define humanity at its very best. Our theme, Be the Best, Relay the Best, captures very well the spirit of excellence, cooperation and inspiration that we see in every athlete stepping on to the track.
Ke itumeletse go bo ke le ka kwano mo gompiekong ke lebogele yone Tautona ya rona ke lebogele bone ba neng ba re binela ba re opella re a le lebogisa le ka mosomasego le matlhogonolo go batabogi ba rona.
This magnificent event also mirrors Botswana's national development agenda. We prioritize sport as a key economic driver and youth empowerment tool. We focus on upgrading facilities and fostering international partnerships. We recognize sports tourism as a powerful tool in bringing people together. Sport has immense power to unite communities, to bring joy, and to drive business and innovation. Events like this one, of this magnitude, expand opportunities for our young people and inspire them to dream without limits. To the leadership of World Athletics, thank you for your confidence in choosing Botswana to host this historic world-class competition. Your trust is deeply appreciated. This partnership demonstrates what is possible even when there may be doubters. It demonstrates what is possible when nations believe in each other and work together.
My words are simple and very short. Botswana, this is your time. Embrace this opportunity. The World Relays, first time in Africa. Enjoy yourselves responsibly. Show the world who we are. Pula.
It lights the way toward a future of great inclusion, greater excellence, and greater representation for our continent on the world stage. To our international visitors, we welcome you warmly. Beyond this stadium, we invite you to experience the spirit and beauty of Botswana. To all who traveled from near and far to be part of this magnificent event, volunteers, media teams and supporters, we thank you.
We've had a super wonderful time. Hey, Botswana,
I feel ecstatic today. The event was top notch, 10 out of 10. The event, the lighting, everything was perfect.
To the athletes, this is your moment. The track before you is a canvas for you to write your legacy upon. Compete with integrity, courage, and unity. Let the energy of the stadium, filled with passion and anticipation, lift you to extraordinary heights. You carry more than just a baton. You carry the hopes and dreams of your countries. We honor your dedication and the sacrifices that brought you here. To the officials, coaches, former athletes, your commitment is the backbone of this event. We recognize your hard work and we thank you most sincerely.
The opening ceremony was a 10 out of 10. Like everything was flowing. It was nice. Oh, wow, Tautona. Thank you.
To my fellow Batswana, let us showcase the spirit of Ubuntu, our kindness, our respect, our humility, our humanity. Let us be the most welcoming hosts the world has ever seen. Let us cheer for every athlete, celebrate every victory, and uphold the spirit of global sportsmanship. You know, I need not remind you. I've told you this before, I tell you again, and I'll tell it times without number.
Today I attended the opening ceremony and it was very magnificent. I even felt like a tourist in my own country for a second. I was impressed, and good luck to all the athletes tomorrow. Obviously, I'm Team Botswana. Let the diamond shine. Apulaine. Thank you very much.
The medals that we will give out are emblematic of the very essence of what Botswana is about. The sparkling and scintillating beauty, majesty, and the awesomeness of the people of this republic. Those who get a medal will carry with them an abiding reminder, one that is eternal, that's forever, because our medals, the first in the world, have a natural diamond embedded in them.
Wow, it was a wow. First time in Botswana, first time in Africa. It was beautiful, it was wonderful, amazing, amazing. It was so beautiful. Yeah, hard work, but all worth it.
The natural diamond, shaped deep in the bowels of the soils of this great country. These diamonds that have powered lives and livelihoods. These diamonds that sparkle and dazzle across the breadth and dimensions of the world. These diamonds we will share with you when you exert yourself and give your very best. And we will offer you the very best of us as well, our love and our natural diamond.
It was brilliant. The sound. Wherever I go, sound quality. The event sound quality like this one. Everything was perfect. The speeches, the artists, was amazing. The energy was on. We can feel it.
May the best teams triumph. May records be broken. May friendships be formed that last a lifetime. And may these World Athletics Relays, Gaborone 2026, remain forever etched indelibly in our hearts and in the history of world sport.
The official open was splendid. I never expected this. Way too good. The production was excellent. I liked all the performances. They were really outstanding.
I wish you all an unforgettable and inspiring competition. And it remains for me at this point, with love and humility, to thank you for the privilege of your company here today and the pleasure of your kind and gracious attention. Let me beam to you from my heart to yours in the silent language of love. Love, 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 love.
They did well. Le speeches sa Tautona, le energy ya Batswana ba amogela Tautona, and the energy ya Batswana ba e hang this world what relay athletics. So everything is just amazing.
Love. James Baldwin says, in the fire next time, love, love takes away the masks we fear we cannot live without. Yet no, we cannot live within love.
The opening ceremony was spectacular. World Relays official opening was fantastic. It told the story of Botswana, where we came from, where the diamonds took us from, and it tells the tourism, the investments, opportunities that are available in Botswana. And what can I say? It was awesome. I think awesome is the best way to describe it.
And I give you all my love in all its forms and manifestations, mediated by grace. I love you so. I love you so much. Beautiful people, beautiful athletes, beautiful spectacle. Thank you. Thank you so very much.
Mo gore ha chance ya gore re kgone go itshupa gore as Botswana we are capable of hosting such a big event. Wa bona go a re rekisa le ko mahasing ka gore ba ta mo ba bona gore nyame Batswana amazing, Botswana na leselese le ona khanya gore they put real diamonds mo the new mo di medaling. It's really brilliant. It's a very good idea. It's gonna sell Botswana even more.
Ke khatlilwe ke go bona Tautona ya mebina.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for addressing us tonight, Mr. President. What a wonderful, inspiring speech. Are you guys ready? Are you ready to work with me? All right, y'all. This is how we're going to do it. When I say, that's my boy, you say, when I say, that's my, you say, boy, that's my. When I say, that's my, you say, boy, that's my. That's my boy right there. That's my president. Woo!